Hi, I'm Hirotaka Inoue, and
I'm Shin Hashimoto from both of us from Aichi
Aichi Sangyo
Japan.
from Japan. Yes, we are visit first time here, so I'm very impressive for this school because of the equipment is wonderful, and all of the staff is very kind, and so yeah, your hospitality is very warm, and I so happy to hear.
Yeah, I was so impressed as well. Looking at the student here, they are really focused on the study, and I think the curriculum you guys have is really great. So the student can be ready right after the graduation, and then they can do the best work in the industry, I believe. So it would be really good if we can have someone from here to the Japanese industry as well, so that they can help our country as well. Thank you for having us here today. It was really great. Thank you.
Thank you very much.